Hello my dear friends, today we will try to learn how to import the data from GPS and create a DXF, what the software will use and how we can import that file in Datamine and SERPAC. Actually directly GPS file we can't import in Datamine and SERPAC, but after we can convert it in DXF file, we can import this file in SERPAC and Datamine and Vulkan type of softwares. So how to import the data from the GPS? So first we have to require the software like map source for matching the version with our GPS. We have the GPS different type of company. Today we will try to import the data from GPS of Garmin. So first step will be, we have the software Basecamp and map source. It is an application software for importing the data from GPS. We have opened the software Basecamp. Actually directly from the map source also we can import, but sometimes the version is not matched with our GPS device. So we have using the Garmin Basecamp application. The first step will the receive from device. Here it is the command receive from device. Our GPS should be connected with the lead to our PC. This is how we connect first our device with lead to our PC. This is our device Garmin GPS. We will connect with our PC with the support of lead. Then first command is receive from device. Here the dialog box will be open like this. This is our device name, shows OK, and the data will be importing like this. Here our data is received in Basecamp. We can check our data. And the data other than waypoint like track and picture and this type of thing we should to delete from our desired data. These all data are not in UTM coordinate, so we will delete from our desired data. Select all data and delete. Here all the waypoints are received from our GPS. We can also see the detailed information of that waypoint. Here we can see it is in UTM position, UTM metric position. If we want to change this position in degree minute second, here we have the option in edit. We have to go to options, edit and options. Here we have the measurement system, that is in metric, and at the last we have the unit of position. Here the unit of position in UTM and the data is WGS 84. It is mandatory to select the WGS 84. As per some part of world there is different datum, but mostly all over the world we are using the WGS 84 datum, and the unit should be in UTM for converting it in DXF. Okay. Then we will export this data. Actually Basecamp will not convert it in DXF directly, So we will export this data to the map source, and map source have an option to convert the data in DXF format. So first we will export this data to the map source. For this we have to go to file, and the third option is the export the file. It is shows name with the date. Export the file and give the name as our choice, and we will convert it in GDB format. Map source will read it in GDB format. GPX format, the map source will can't read it in GPX format, but it can read it in GDB format. So we will choose GDB format. We can give the name as our choice, like today's date, 12th of April 2022 is the date, and it is our folder where it is exporting. Save, and our data has been exported to the GDB format. Now we can open this file in map source. Directly we can't importing our data in map source, so we are using the application Garmin Basecamp. Now we will open application map source. Here we will open our file by go to the file, open, and choose our file name. It is a 12 April. It is our file. We will open this file in map source. Here our file is data is shows. Now we will save this file as a DXF. So we should to go to file, save as, and here we will change. Here we can change the extension of the file, or we can say we can convert the file in a DXF, like save as a DXF. Map source is give us the chance to convert this file in DXF. So this file will be saved in the DXF format, and DXF format, we know that DXF is AutoCAD file, and save it. Here the dialog box will be open like this. We will choose UTM coordinate. Okay. Our file is converted in DXF. So now we can, as we know that DXF file can be imported in SERPAC and Datamine directly. So this is our chapter, how we learn how to import the GPS data and convert it into DXF file. Okay, thank you.